I do not diet. That's my secret. I don't diet. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. I'm Angel for those of you who are new here, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you become part of the family. I share so many things lifestyle here, mom life, home, and organization. So today I'm going to talk about some eating habits that have completely changed my life. Okay, let's just be real. Weight is definitely something that can be a super stressful thing in our lives, but you know what? I've come to not stress over it because of one simple thing that I really changed in my life, and I've incorporated over the years. The best thing I have ever done for myself is that I do not diet. Yes, I just said that. I do not diet. Diets are super restrictive. They are hard to maintain and super easy to let go over the long term. Newsflash, I've done so many different diets in my life. I used to do badgets. I am now 35. I'm not afraid to say that. I stopped all of that. I did, and the best thing I ever done was let that go. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you what worked for me. So maybe, it may work for you too if you find yourself in the situation. And I'm gonna dive deep and tell you guys some of the things that I did, but I will say this. I made a conscious effort to change my lifestyle. Lifestyle changes have allowed more flexibility, easier maintenance, and not a big fluctuality in my weight. These things have been so easy to incorporate in my daily life. They've also helped me to be successful. That was the reason I only gained 35 pounds in my pregnancy, how I was able to lose that pregnancy weight after having the baby, and also maintain my weight over the years. It was just lifestyle changes, literally. I'm gonna share some of those things that I did with you guys. They're easy, they're simple, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. Tip number one, I invested in an air fryer. Yes, a couple years ago, we decided to get an air fryer, and it was a game changer for our entire household, you guys. That one simple change allowed me to still eat the foods that I like to eat, like nuggets and fries and fried chicken, stuff like that, yeah. But I just air fry it. That removed grease. And to be honest, that has been one of the biggest and most amazing changes in our lives. Just removing grease. We still get to eat our fried food, and the air fryer actually cooks really good, you guys. They have so many different meals you can air fry. I actually have an air fryer book, and I'll pop a link into it below and pop in a picture to it as well. But, air frying has just been a game changer because you never realize just removing that one little item, grease, out of your lifestyle eating habits can be hands down incredible for your body. Okay, now that does not say I don't eat grease. Okay, I still eat my greasy foods. Yeah, if I go out at a restaurant or I go out on the weekends or something, I go somewhere, yeah, I pick up some grease and eat some greasy foods. But for my everyday daily habits, like in our house, if we're cooking anything fried, it's with the air fryer. And that one thing, again, it's so much easier to incorporate because you still get to eat the food you like. It's just air fried, and it's taking out one of the biggest, fattiest thing in our lives, and that's grease. So that, when you do want to go to a restaurant and eat greasy foods, it's not detrimental to your body because it's not like you eat grease all the time. You're not frying your food all the time at home with grease. So that little change made a huge difference in my eating habits. It's a healthier alternative, and you still get to eat the foods you like. It's just not as fattening. Tip number two, I cut down on my sugar. And you can do this in so many different ways. The things that I did was, like, now in my coffee, I don't put sugar in my coffee. I just do creamer only. And it's worked for me. I've gotten used to it, and I've been doing that for years. So yeah, now I just don't put sugar in my coffee. You can do sugar-free candy. I do that all the time. You guys, they have some really good sugar-free candy and cookies out there. Let me tell you, like, it's been a game changer for that too. And me and my mom both love sugar-free cookies and candy. And it's just something that, again, you get to still get your sweets. I love sweets, okay? I have a sweet tooth. Yes, I have to have my sweets. But that's just an easy change to, again, lifestyle to try to do more sugar-free stuff instead of always relying on sugar items. Just removing some sugar out of your eating habits. Easy change. Also still get what you want. You're just substituting a healthier alternative. But I still eat my sugar. Don't think I don't. I just, again, lifestyle changes. I made a conscious effort to not do as much sugar. Tip number 3, portion control. Yes, let's talk about portion control now. This is something that, again, is one of those things you can still eat what you want, but if you learn to actually portion control yourself, only eat a smaller amount of it. Don't go overboard. Don't go eat a plate full. Don't go get 2 plates. Actually eat the size portion you should only be eating or smaller. One thing you can do, instead of eating off of a larger plate, you can go eat off a salad plate. So fill up a salad plate instead of a big old large plate. That's an easy one. You can also do scales. Like my husband loves to portion his food with the scale. You can easily incorporate a scale and weigh your food. Make sure you're only getting your correct portion size. Or you can just eat smaller portions. Just don't eat the larger portions, you know? That's another, again, lifestyle change. The more you do it, the more it becomes habit. Like me now, I cannot eat a lot at a meal. You can ask anybody in my family, I can't drink a lot, I can't eat a lot. My stomach just won't allow it at this point. So, you know, and that's because, again, it's just been a lifestyle change. So my stomach has gotten to that point where it can only accept so much. And I think everybody knows not to pour me a big old large cup of anything, not even water. I can't intake a lot, you know. I've learned to portion control myself. So 3 meals and 2 snacks is something that I love to do, and it's worked wonders for me. It's something we actually really do in our household. We have our snacks and we have our meals. So the more you portion control what you're putting in, guys, it really is like little bitty things here and there that can help change your healthy eating habits. Tip number 4, eating healthier snacks. Instead of eating your normal cookies and chips and cakes and all of that stuff, opt for healthier choices. So things I like, I love my yogurt packs, I love my cottage cheese packs, I love my fruit bars, turkey jerkies instead of regular beef jerkies. Pickles, another favorite, and they're not fattening. Just opting for healthier snacks can go a long way. It pulls out a lot of the oils and the fats and the sugars, just healthier options. And you actually will become accustomed to eating on healthier snacks. Again, you're not dieting, you're just deciding to toss eating fatty stuff. So I opt for healthier snacks. I still, you know, will eat, you know, unhealthy snacks occasionally if I'm out or something, or my husband has something I eat off his. But when I'm snacking and when I grocery shop for my snacks, I actually buy the healthy snacks that I like. You guys, I've done lots of videos on some of my favorite healthy snacks. I do still like shopping at Thrive Market. I've done videos on there. I'll pop some on screen and in the description box too. I get some from Amazon also. You can get them from a grocery store. I do get some from Kroger, just different places. But that's just something that is so, again, easy to change and becomes a lifestyle change. Tip number 5, drink more water. Yes, drink more water. You cannot drink enough water, you guys. We keep water. We drink water all day long, and we actually cut down sodas. That is just another huge change you can incorporate. I didn't say stop, but cut down on the number of sodas that you put in your system. And that's what we do. Like if we do sodas, we might do it like on the weekend or something, like Friday or date night or something, or at a party. But we keep water. We drink water for the most part every day. For our meals, for everything, it's water. And then we do sodas occasionally. But cutting that out is humongous. The amount of fat and sugar and all of that is great. Or go opt for 0 calorie or 0 sugar or diet. Any of that is better than the full-blown soda every day. Okay, so again, find what works for you, but they can make it a lifestyle change. Don't make it a diet. Make it a lifestyle change, something you're gonna continue to do. Tip number 6, Incorporate more organic food. That's what I did. Organic food is something that is also a really major game changer. Yes, it may be more pricey, but it's so much more better for your body, okay? The healthier you are, the less likely you'll have to keep going to the doctor for random stuff going wrong. And honestly, a lot of our health problems are coming from the food we're putting in our system, you guys. So, you know, nobody's gonna be perfect. Your body's not gonna be perfect, but the more you can help your body to function for a long period of time and give you years of being healthy really does help. That one little change can be incredible for your body. Just opting for more organic foods, more natural foods, stuff without all that extra additives and preservatives and artificial stuff. You know, cutting all of that out, because food, you just don't know what it's made with these days. So the more you can go the organic and natural route, the better for your body, okay? You'll be surprised what's in food. Tip number 7. This kind of goes into eating organic, but not necessarily, but that's just opting for a healthier option, especially when it comes to like meat. Incorporate more turkey bacon than you do pork bacon. Now, I'm Southern, I'm country, I love my bacon, okay? I love my pork bacon, I do. I like my ribs too. But opting for healthier meat choices is so better for your body. And I'm gonna be honest, I ain't cut out my pork, but when I'm eating breakfast on a daily option, I do turkey bacon. And if I do want my pork, I may go to it for a weekend special, like you know, when I want to do my big Saturday breakfast or something. But it's like a spoiling for me. It's that extra. You've done really well. Here's your celebration. You know, like here's your extra free day. I want to say free day, but it's like, you know, again, it's just that extra is there. But when I'm doing my daily meals, getting the turkey sausage or the turkey bacon is so much better. That's what I've done, and that's what we do. That's what we do for our son too. We do opt for the healthier meat. Same with burgers, opting for turkey burgers over regular burgers, opting for turkey sausage over pork sausage. Now that has worked really well for us. It's worked wonders. Again, it helps to keep that fat off of us, and everybody in our household is actually really healthy, for which I'm so grateful for. Those changes helps. And again, don't tell yourself you can never have that or you can't do. When you're on diets are so restrictive, but when you start to incorporate like lifestyle changes, you still can do it, you know, but you're opting for the most part for a healthier option. And then if you ever do want to go do it, it's okay. It's not detrimental to your body. Again, not limiting yourself, being restrictive, you just choosing better options, you know, in whichever way that fits you and your lifestyle. Now, some people do the calories. That's wonderful, and it works for a lot of people, and I've done it in the past. I think just for me, it became too overwhelming, and I kept stressing out about the numbers and stuff. So, you know, for me, I threw that out the door and I just focused on my lifestyle changes. But it does work, and if it works, keep doing it. Keep doing what works for you. But these are some things that have helped me, and I've incorporated, and you know, it's just been a life-changing thing for me. Even again, with having a baby, getting pregnant, and worrying about baby fat and all of that. And if I do have more kids, I'm continue to do the same thing. So hopefully I don't have to worry so much about like intake and calories and gaining so much weight and losing so much weight. You know, it actually just helps to maintain my body because of the choices that I'm making, if that makes sense. Again, I love these things because I'm not on a diet. I'm just making a lifestyle change. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will pop up some videos here too for you to watch next that I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy if you want more of my tips and hacks. I'll see you guys in those videos.